This is the story of rebuilding one of the best-looking convertibles in the BMW E-30 lineup, the legendary E-30 MTech 2. From worn down and tired to jaw-dropping showroom condition, this is how we brought a dream car back to life. I bought this E-30 from another enthusiast out in Connecticut. Before I even made it home to New Jersey, I was already on the phone, ordering parts, and no joke, somewhere around the Bronx, I stopped at my upholstery guy in New York. Priority, right? First thing on my mind, a fire red and black custom leather interior. We matched the leather sample right there on the hood. From that moment on, the transformation officially started. Also changed out the torn shift boot and broken knob for a custom leather boot and a ZHP 5-speed knob. Back at the shop, we got to work. The stock headlights came out, replaced with telesmoke smiles. We added a xenon HID slim ballast conversion kit, plus Euro E-30 grills and a black kidney grill. That front end, instant attitude upgrade. Then we tackled the instrument cluster, which was long overdue for replacement. Inside the doors, every window motor and regulator was shot, so we replaced all of them, along with the wiring harnesses. The windshield cracked and tired. Replaced. We swapped out the old faded taillights for a set of smoke blowers. Then came the paint. Fresh, smooth, deep gloss. Exactly how a classic could look. We carefully reassembled every part, panel, and trim. Then came wet sanding and buffing, giving it that flawless, mirror-like finish. Next up, the body restoration. We stripped the car down and went full restoration. Rust repair? Check. We shaved the old school antenna and filled it whole. Clean lines only. We replaced the rusted rocker panels, fixed up the fenders, and started laying down primer. Door jambs, inner panels, everything got attention. And finally, after months of hard work, long nights, and way too many cups of coffee, the car was done. From this beat-up convertible to this stunning, head-turning MTech 2. Restoring this BMW is more than just fun. This person, it reminded me that no matter how far gone something looks, passion and effort, you can bring it back, even better than before. If you enjoyed this build, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about your own dream restoration project. Until next time, keep wrenching and keep the classics alive.